Trick.
Good morning, everyone. I'm Vidya Anand, HRT of 2G Shells. The day we got to know that we have a speaker at Silver Oaks for teachers, I know what all you are going through. I'm just one among you who was thinking what to speak on that day and what will be my topic. So I was also just nervous like you, what I'm going to speak, what will be my topic. So then I met our HR Padma, and just she shared little few details with me, and I got it with me. I'm going to share it with you. Okay, 90% of you feel nervous, 10% of you worried about forgetting lines, 90% of you browse the net, 50% of you change the topic every time, 10% of you thinking what to wear on that day, 40% of you thinking it is an opportunity, let's grab it, 50% of you still practicing the lines at the back, 100% of you I'm very sure that learn new things. Yeah, this is what the data tells me about speaker at Silver Oaks. Then just like you, I also sat in front of the Google God and start searching for my topic. Then I got to know that there are different kinds of speech. One is inspirational speech. Then I saw the video of Obama, then Atal Bihari Vajpayee. Then I said, I cannot do this. You know, it is they have to bang the table and say very loud. No, inspirational speech is not for me. Then I thought I'll speak about information, that is informative speech. Then I know about Anunnakis, samurais, and aliens, so that will be very interesting topic. So I'm going to speak about that. But no, it is too, I don't want to do that also. Then I thought I'm going to share my own experience. My daughter told me, Amma, it is too boring, don't do that. Then I thought I will talk about, I'm a biology teacher, so I talk about evolution of man. There is a contradictory theory called devolution of man. So I'm going to speak about devolution of man. Then no, that also didn't work for me. At the end of the day, I was nothing. I did not have anything for my speak. I'm sitting in front of the computer. I'm thinking what to speak for speaker at Silver Oaks. Then I got really a good idea. I found out something really new. Do you want to see? This is the one. Spicoconfidoxin. You can see it is anti-nervosa. Just take this pill, you're done. Your speech will be ready. Just you hold empty paper in front of you and your speech will be ready and you can start speaking about any topic. Just you need to take this pill, Spicoconfidoxin, and your speech will be ready and you are ready for your speaker at Silver Oaks anytime. So that's it. Have a tablet and enjoy your speech. But I want to share a secret. The pill says that speak with confidence, and this is not available in any of the doctor, and 99% of the doctor doesn't know about it, and there is a little side effect. If suppose the pill doesn't work for you, you may shake a little bit and your voice may go a little low, but don't worry, nothing's going to happen. Take the pill of confidence and you're going to rock on that day. Thank you.